Hi guys, back again with another video. Now this time we are going to do the sound test of the BoAt BassHeads 225. Now these are in-ear earphones which are made of metal and they have flat cable, and I bought this long back, and it's pretty rough and tough. It's one of my favorites, so I've been testing it for quite some time. The only problem that I had with this was the mic going bad. There's a video for that. I've made that video already, so if you want to fix your mic, then you can see that video. Okay, so we're going to do the bike test now. Now the first test would be, there are three stages. The first stage is without a helmet, the second is with a helmet but with the visor open, and the third one is with the helmet and the visor closed. So that will simulate closed helmet. So let's go ahead and start the test. So people who have seen this, seen my previous videos, they will already know what I'm talking about. For others, they can see now. So everything is done in a controlled environment. So please do not try to copy whatever I'm doing. It will be dangerous. So let's go ahead and ride the bike. So one thing straight away you'll notice is there's a lot of wind that will hit the earphone. Wow, look at my hair. So there's a lot of wind that will hit the earphone because the earphone is quite low. So it is over here, and then you keep flying, so you will get a lot of wind. I don't know whether you're able to hear me or not, but I can actually hear a lot of wind sound in the earphone. So I'll get to know that later on, that how the sound is once I do that. So let's go ahead and wear the helmet. Okay, so we are riding the bike with the helmet. Now there's a lot of wind which will hit the mic because the mic is still here. The only difference is that because you're wearing a helmet, the wire does not fly off too much, so that might help you, in hearing me, but I don't know how much. So let's go ahead and close the helmet. So this is my new visor. I really like it. I'll talk about that later on if you want me to. So with this scenario, the helmet is going to echo everything. It's going to echo my sound and then push that down. So you should be able to hear a lot of my voice with a lot of echo. So I don't know whether you're able to hear me or not because the mic is still so low. So I don't know if you're able to hear me or not. Hopefully you can hear me well. Okay, so we are doing the water test now. So I am sitting next to 70 water fountains. So from top to bottom, there are around 70 water fountains. So there's a lot of water sound. Now, hopefully you're able to hear me well. Okay, so we are walking in the mall now. There's a lot of people because Akshay Kumar is coming to the mall today. If you look at the amount of people over here, there are a lot. So hopefully you're able to hear me. Okay, so we are walking outside the mall now. There aren't many people because it's kind of 1 o'clock in the afternoon. But there's a lot of music. So there are 3 pubs side by side. So there's a lot of music going on. So you'll be hearing a lot of sound from that. So hopefully you're able to hear me. The sound that you're hearing is from the mic on the earphone itself. So let's see how clear it is. Okay, so we're doing the traffic test now. Crossing the road. Have to be very careful because over here traffic is really. Hopefully you're able to hear me and a lot of the traffic sound too. Okay, so you guys have seen the video. Now the earphone is surprisingly good when there's not too much background sound. But if there's a lot of background sound like inside the mall and traffic sound, then it does not perform that great because there's too much of sound. Your sound does not really reach the mic. The reason for that is because the mic is so low. Basically on my chest, it's not here. So normally the earphone that you would have seen comes at this height range. So this is that low. so lower than regular. So that's why you do not get a lot of wind sound, because wind is basically hitting my chest, so it's not getting a chance to rub against it. Now the mics which are over here, the wind drags against it, and then you get a lot of wind sound. So yes, it's good for people who ride. The sound will be clearer because the wind is not hitting it, but in regular scenarios where there are a lot of background sound, it's not that good. So that's it for this video. If you like the video, please subscribe, hit the like button, and do comment, and I'll see you again with another video. Bye bye.